Yo, what's up YouTube? Thank you guys for checking out the video. My name is Rudy with Stay Busy Building. I just kind of want to make a video today and show you guys a quick little clip of some product that I'm using on a project that I'm going to be putting together here. So this is it right here. Preserva wood. If you guys want to make your big box store redwood pickets, or basically any kind of pickets, cedar, whatever you guys are using, look high quality, use this product. I'm just showing you guys this product. It's something I'm comfortable with. I've used it on a couple of things already, but I think it looks beautiful. Look how it brings out the grain on this wood. These are regular redwood pickets from a big box store, Home Depot, same stuff, Lowe's, whatever, any other place carries. But first thing first, you know, this is basically hit it with the palm sander, knock all the roughness off. Usually these come pretty rough cut, so they got a lot of loose wood on it and just a lot of little pieces that can fall off. So hit it with that, make it look smooth. Just clean them all up. This piece here, I already put like a little coat on it. This section, this is bare. So you can see there just the color difference. So I think it looks beautiful, great product. This here is the Pacific Redwood transparent toner. So it's a lower tone, not so dark. 5-gallon bucket will cover on smooth wood 300 to 400 square feet per gallon, and then 200 to 300 square feet per gallon with some rough wood. So you can cover quite a bit with this. I've used it on my fencing here at my own house, and I'm actually pretty impressed with the way it works, and it looks great. Get a lot of compliments from the neighbors, and looks good. So like I said, guys, I just went ahead and hit it with the little 5-inch palm sander, 60 grit paper, and I'm rolling it with some 1/4-inch nap, 4-inch roller. You guys can use whatever you like, paintbrush if you guys want to brush it on, or if you're doing like a fence. Usually when I do my fence, I do like a Hudson sprayer, and then whatever's running down it, just kind of get a rag, wipe it down, get all the excess off. But this stuff is great. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys a little sample real quick. Basically, just get the roller. All I'm doing is just gonna dip it in there. Just roll this thing out. That's it. You can see already, just like the grain that comes out, looks beautiful once it's applied. So yeah, just roll it out, guys. That's it. Just like that. Just hit it everywhere. Make sure you hit all the sides and everything too. So it's kind of hard while I'm recording, but usually turn on the side there. Usually turn on the side, hit all the sides, hit the back side. Look at the difference. You can tell the darkness. Look how dark that is compared to just the natural wood. And this is sanded, so it looks a little whiter than normally at the store, but it looks beautiful. Look how it brings out the knots. I just love how it looks. All the little dark spots, you know, on the wood. It just makes everything pop really nice. So if you guys are interested in this product, check it out. Preserva wood. And no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. It's just something that I'm comfortable using, and I think it looks great. So it will be going on this gate here this weekend. I'm gonna get this thing primed up, painted, Got the post here set up. Got some bullet hinges. What you guys think about those welds? Look all right. Double lock box. So, you guys like the design? Let me know what you think about the design. Customer picked this out. So, whatever they like is what I do. I think it's gonna look pretty good once it's all painted. It's gonna be black with this wood. It'll look really nice. So, like I said, thanks again, guys. If you guys like the video, if you guys like the content, please like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. If you guys have had any questions, drop them in the comments, please. And then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.